Hi fam, Josao here again with another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to explain the difference between a stop loss order and that of liquidation price. Okay, these are two important things you need to know as a beginner or a professional trader in the crypto space. So firstly, if you don't have a Bybit account, ensure to check the link in the description of this video to create one, and you can also check my Bybit playlist to know how you can create, verify, and you can basically understand all the setting in this particular Bybit exchange or Binance. All right, so now what you need to do, all right, what is a stop loss order? Stop loss order is basically an order which you give to what the exchange, that you are saying this is going to happen, but if it did not happen, you are ready to accept a particular amount of loss. For example, this is what Solana. Okay, this is Solana. So with this Solana currently, you want to enter a trade. This is a demo account. So let's say we have entered for a trade. At the bottom here, you can currently see this is the demo account. We have what's currently an open trade here. Okay, we have an open trade where you are seeing this red circle. This basically means Solana, we are shorting. We are saying the price of Solana is going to what? Drop. Okay, whenever you are shorting, you are saying the price is going to drop. When you are longing, it means the price is going to go up. So it's either you buy or you say long, or you sell or you say short. So now this is what the current position, the amount of Solana we are trading. This is our entry price. All right, and this is the current market price. We entered when the price of Solana was basically 144,000. Okay, now it's 144. All right, 144.430, but we enter at 530, right? 144.530. So that's why you are currently seeing we are making profit. Okay, that's why you are currently seeing we are making $190 profit, because we predicted that the market was going to drop, and indeed the market is dropping. But if you basically see here, all right, we have what we call set SL and TP. TP basically means take profit. SL basically means what? Stop loss. So for example, now you are saying that the price is going of Solana is going to drop. You enter at 144. If you want to set your TP, this trigger price, let's say for example, you are saying you want to take your profit when BTC in Solana basically drops to $140. Don't forget, you entered when basically Solana is what? 144. So as long as you are shorting, you are saying the price is supposed to go down. So your take profit should be below. But if you are longing, the take profit should be higher than your entry price. So if this your take profit is what? On 140, all right, so this is about what you are going to make 7,835 USDT, or 785, all right, $7,835. All right, so now this is stop loss. You are saying the market is going to drop, but what if the market did not drop? It moved to the upside. How much are you ready to lose? Okay, how much are you ready to what? Lose. For you to just lose, first you need to tap this. We have what we call margin. This is the amount of money which you put to enter a position. Okay, so out of this 12,000, okay, for you to open this trade, currently you are trading with what? 249,000, because we are using a leverage. So if you have not what derivative for beginners, ensure to check this so you are going to understand everything. So with this margin now, out of this 12,000, how much are you ready to lose? Okay, so you come, you tab in what? A set a stop loss. So let's say you are basically ready to lose like what? Out of this, let's say you want to lose like what? 6,000 out of the 12,000. Okay, so if Solana drops what? 47%, you are going to what? Lose 5,000 out of the 12,000, and you just have been confirmed. This is what we mean by what? Your stop loss. But we have what we call liquidation price. As you can see here, this is what we call liquidation price. This is what the liquidation price. Okay, where this arrow is pointing. Let me just highlight again. This is what the liquidation price. Okay, so 403. Now, what does this basically mean? You are saying the price of Solana is going to drop, okay? But in case it did not drop, hope you are following this. In case it did not drop, it moved up towards $403, okay? It moved up to $403. all your trades are going to close. You are going to lose your money. One, how are you going to determine if you are losing all your money? It depends on two major factors. The margin you are using. We have two types of margin. We have cross margin and we have isolated margin. We have cross. If you tab in here, we have what? Cross, and we have isolated. I explained this. I have a complete tutorial about this. So in brief, cross basically means if you use cross margin to basically enter, if ever in the future, all right, this basically like Solana reaches this price, all right, 403, you are going to lose all the money in your account. All the money in your account. So what am I saying? All this money you are seeing in your account, this total available 444,000, you are going to lose everything. But if you come here, you select what? Isolated. You are only going to lose the money that's what you deposited, all right, that you are using. This is what? This margin, this 12,000 is the only money you are going to what? Lose. Okay? This 12,000 is what? The only money which you are going to basically lose if you use isolated. But if you use cross and basically you with your this market move to your isolation, okay, it moves toward the isolation. This Solana basically moves up, it reaches 403, you are going to lose your entire account, the 400,000. Currently I'm using what? Cross. Currently I'm using cross. So in case like the market fails to drop and it keeps pumping, I enter. This is my entry price, 144. It reaches to what? 403. The price of Solana keep pumping up until it reaches what? 403.120. I'm going to lose my entire account. I'm going to lose what? My entire what? Account. This is what we mean by what? Liquidation price. This is what we mean by liquidation price. So it is always good to say what? Focus on what your liquidation price when you are trading crypto. It is always what? Important to focus on your liquidation price as a beginner when you are trading crypto. Stop loss basically is an order which you give toward the exchange that I'm saying that this is going to happen. But in case it did not happen, then I want you to what? I want to accept the profits. For example, now we are basically making profit. All right, we are basically making profit of 224. If I want to close, I will just close this. Okay, I will just like what? Close this particular position. You can just what? Go ahead and what? Close your position and you keep the $224. But if you wait, you are shorting and the market keep the shorting, the market is dropping. Later it keeps what? Pushing up until the price of this Solana reaches 403. You are going to lose your entire money if you are using cross. If you are using isolated, you are only going to lose your margin. So for you to understand proper the difference between isolated margin and cross margin, kindly ensure to check my Bybit playlist. I explain in detail the difference between them and how you can use them and which one is more recommended for beginner. Alright, if you do have any question, please don't hesitate, drop them in the comment section. I'll respond within 24 hours. Stay blessed. I'm Josao.